I'm at the carnival to teach y'all about gun safety. The NRA says it's okay to bring a gun to work.
Oh my lord. Oh Jesus. I gotta make one. Come on. That's horrible. Oh Lord. Try with the left. Oh. I'm not even. That's what we got over here? On some darkness. Oh.
Trying gun. Barely the only victory you'll ever have here.
Oh wow.
You couldn't hit that target if your life depended on it, and you look very suicidal.
Now hiring for all children's ride operators. No experience
What
required.
we got over here? What? Moyaga! I can't grab with two hands? Oh, one hand only, huh? Moyaga! Yeah! Moyaga! Damn! Oh, I done broke that shit.
Remember, click off your lights and safety before going to bed.
What the fuck you looking at like that? Motherfucker. Yeah, you better call your ass up. Alright, don't get up. Yeah, I thought so. It's a goddamn
The
night.
best years of my life were when I was held by strangers.
What you doing, bud? The fuck is you doing?
Exit stage left.
Get up out of here, man. Hey, you, man? How you patrolling this and niggas can't even get on the fucking ride, man? The fuck is that, man? You know what? I got something for your big ass. Out here patrolling rides. You know what? I got. You need two for your big ass. Out here patrolling rides and motherfuckers can't even get on that shit. What is wrong with you, stupid? Hmm?
You asked, we listened. All screws are now tightened on 73% of our rides.
Next time, motherfucking patrolling motherfucking rides. You heard?
If humans had a system that provided the first thing they would do is tear it all.
Looking by this carnival, I realize a lot of people will lose their jobs to consider Daddy!
Bitch, get out of here!
Dad has to buy you stuff. Okay, they can keep their job. Part of my.
Where the hell did this big girl come from?
Grab a cold one at the beer tent. Get a DUI.
You niggas trying to jump me, nigga? Huh? Huh? Oh, shit. I got hit by the roller coaster. Get your porky ass up out of here.
My social worker why I got the shit kicked out of me.
I have plenty of energy. My
Bet you wish it didn't bang.
Everything
How many
about
times I
the
gotta
place
poke
is
you
rigged,
up?
right down to my teeth.
Someone as loud as you shouldn't be allowed to use this.
Yes, my baby's gonna have to handle another
The
night
Walmart
alone,
workers
Mama.
still want more. Huh? You still want more, you Walmart motherfucker, huh? Ah! 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 Girl, I got everybody running out this motherfucker. Look at the
Remember
motherfucker.
to buy your tickets for the slaughtering of the pigs happening here soon.
Ah! Bring your stupid ass here. Huh? Hmm? Stupid? Come here. Oh! over here. Get your stupid ass up over here, man. Come on. Come here, man.
I got back by the same
man.
wheel last year. Anyone else smell burnt
Don't ever fucking disrespect me with your ceiling missing, you heard? Stupid head ass boy.
In case anyone was wondering, I only date crisis actors with blue thighs.
Oh, he gonna run. Yeah. Yeah, get your ass over here. You ain't going nowhere. You gonna help me beat this dude up over here. My man's on stilts. What the fuck you doing up there, dude? Yeah. He on stilts. Yeah. Get up out of here, man. I got something for this dude up here, man. Yeah.
Take home a prize today at our 9mm shooting gallery.
Wow.
That was my 7 pair
It's
of
my
stilts
motherfucking
today.
carnival. Get the fuck out of here. Stupid head ass boy. Get up out of here. You ain't moving fast enough, buddy. Get your ass up out of here.
That's it. I hate the carnival. Every year,
Yeah.
someone tries to kill me.
Yeah, you better hate the goddamn carnival.